Today, we're going to look at how we can find an unknown length in a triangle by using trigonometry. The first step we need to do is choose which angle we're going to use in this question. An important thing to note is that you should never pick the right angle. If you pick a right angle triangle, then the opposite side is the hypotenuse, and you have two adjacent sides. With two adjacent sides and an opposite side that's hypotenuse, it's impossible to determine if we should use sine, cosine, or tangent. So in short, never pick the right angle. Since we can't choose the right angle, we only have one more angle that we know in this question to choose. That's 65 degrees. Now we need to choose which of the rules, sine, cosine, or tangent, we're going to use. To do that, we need to determine which sides we have. So looking at 65 degrees, we have x. X is opposite 65 degrees. And we have our 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters is the hypotenuse. The sides that we have are opposite and hypotenuse. Going back to SOHCAHTOA, the only rule that uses the opposite and hypotenuse is sine. Therefore, we are using sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Since we already know theta, we can go ahead and substitute that in. Sine 65 equals opposite, our opposite side is x, and our hypotenuse is 10. Sine 65 equals x over 10. Our next step is to enter sine 65 into the calculator and see what it equals. When you do that, you'll find out that sine 65 is equal to 0.906. 0.906 equals x over 10. We need to work out what x is. To do that, we need to get x by itself. So we need to get rid of the 10. We have divide 10 on this side. We pull it over to the other side of the equation. Because it crosses the equal sign, it changes sign. We now have 0.906 times 10 equals x. Therefore, 9.06 equals x. Because this is a measurement question, we're trying to find the length of a triangle side, we need to give units. So x is equal to 9.06 centimeters.